Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to open up a Robinhood account to invest. So if you want to invest, you're going to use the first application. If you want to go ahead and you have a wallet of Robinhood, you can go ahead and use the Robinhood wallet. So let me just install this Robinhood crypto application to my phone. And once it was installed, you're going to open it up. And now you will need to go ahead and sign up. So now you're going to need to choose a country where you live and click continue. Now enter the email address which you're going to use to sign in to your Robinhood account, and again click continue. Enter your password and again click continue. Enter your first name and last name. Now they will ask you some questionnaire about yourself, so just go ahead and answer those questions. So I just needed to verify my phone number. Enter your date of birth. You will need to go ahead and enter what is your main source of income. So go ahead and enter those questions. Now just go ahead and read the tax certification and then click review. And now, of course, you will need to go ahead and verify your identity with them. So you will need to go ahead and upload a photo of your identification. So it's either your passport, that driver's license, or national ID, or also residency permit. Now your photo is uploading of your document and you will see this screen. You will need to go ahead and take a selfie now with your phone. And now you all signed up. As you can see, you can trade Bitcoin with zero fees. I'm just gonna go ahead and close it up. My application is now up in review, and it can take 5 business days. So you can go ahead and search for top cryptos here now and basically trade them. So you can go ahead and search for your first investment. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.